one time early on, I was participating in a hunger strike that CORE organized. CORE was a student civil rights movement, and there were a bunch of white kids involved in that too. And I'll never forget, you know, my parents didn't know what to make of it. You know, a hunger strike, and we're gonna starve to death, and the cops were gonna come, whatever. I remember one day I'm up there. I wasn't actually I wasn't actually fasting, but I was doing security, whatever. And suddenly my parents turn up. You know, these two little figures from Brighton Beach. You know, and you know, dressed very nicely, very proud, because they were upper middle class Polish people. You know, Polish people, Polish Jews. They showed up, and I was like, that image of them, you know, kind of, you know, from this other world. I said, I'm fine, goodbye.